boys, we're doing an unboxing video. Oh, what are we gonna get, boys? I don't even want to look. Oh, God.
Fade.
That's not bad.
It's fade.
I like it. Okay.
You do too, I do too.
Yeah, I'll do one more. Okay, exit.
Watch me get a mythical.
Yeah, I'll fucking punch you in the dick and I'll be keeping that shit.
Fuck you.
Probably shouldn't be cussing, but you know. It's my birthday. You hear the little ting 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 ting?
Bob.
No.
You got the more force.
Yes!
My bad.
Okay, depending on what we get though, it will depend on... Okay. Here. Get it, boy.
Where's the mouse?
We're not using a mouse.
Oh.
With a tangled mouse. Ooh. No. No! No! Yes! Yes! Oh! It's shiny.
And it illuminates.
That's amazing. You little chicken nugget.
And I don't have an A skin.
I will give you all my A skins. Don't even try me. I'll give you every skin I got, bruh.
Two blunt forces.
2 blunt forces, so one for you, one for me. And then we have 2 pistols. So we have the fade and the...
Hey, you want to send a trade offer now?
Huh?
Trade offers?
Do you want to just buy the rest of the keys and then do the clothing? We might as well.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back with another unboxing after this.